everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm doing a review on a product that, sorry about the gloves. Let me take them off before they make a lot of noise. I didn't grab any that. These came with the product that I'm doing a review on today for this epoxy resin by JDiction. They approached me wanting to know if I wanted to do some reviews on their products, so heck yeah, I'll do that. So they sent me some resin to try out. They are mixed equal parts, one part the hardener and one part the resin. The little kit comes with a couple little pipette things, some little figure thingies, some popsicle sticks, a couple little cups, and they even have these little lids to put on, but I'm just gonna leave them the way they are. And some gloves came with it. I did mix it up already. I'm gonna just do a resin over the top of this. I just want to kind of see how well it looks. So far, I mean, it looks really good. It's very clear. It does have some air bubbles in there, but that's because I've been mixing it up. It says that it's crystal clear, self-leveling, non-flammable, okay, resist yellowing. Gives you a 40-minute work time, which that's pretty cool. Low VOC and low odor. I kind of stuck it right in the paint, so that was my bad over here, so now I have paint on my hands. But it says cure time is 24 to 48 hours. Work time 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited to try this out. I've been trying to find a nice resin to use. I usually varnish most of my pieces if I varnish them. Sometimes I don't even put anything on, but I've been thinking about doing a little bit more resin work because I do want to do some clocks and stuff. And I have another craft festival in December that I want to get ready for, so I was thinking about doing some clocks for that as well. But anyway, so this is a painting that I did. I don't remember which one it was, but I'll put the link in the description there so you can check this video out. I think it turned out beautifully. It's probably one of my favorite pieces, actually. And I don't do a lot on rounds, so it was kind of fun. It's a canvas that I got, I think, from Hobby Lobby, maybe. Anyway, so in my resin, I'm actually going to put in a little bit of this. It's some mica powder that I got off of Amazon, and it's called Crushed Crystal. It's beautiful, very, very beautiful. I hope you can see that there, but it is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I'm not going to put a whole lot in. I just want to add a little bit of sparkle. Let's see, that should be plenty, but let's mix it up here. Just give it a little bit. This is so light color. It actually, so it's just going to look like it has a little bit of glitter to it, not much of changing the color or anything like that, which that's what I want. I don't want it to do that. So I'm just going to kind of mix that up here a little bit, and then I'm going to put these gloves on. And I do want everybody to, if you do resin, you definitely want to be careful, wear a mask, be in a well ventilated area. I do have my air purifier going. I'm not wearing a mask because you wouldn't be able to hear me if I did. I will put on these gloves. These gloves came with the kit, which they're kind of loud, but that's okay. And they're kind of loose, so, but good enough to try out with. So, and I'm just going to kind of pour it on and smear it through. It says it'll level it out, so we're just going to kind of get it all out there. I do want some to come over my sides, so a little bit. Oops. Hopefully I made enough. I just did an ounce of each. Wasn't really sure. I guess I probably should have. But I don't really want it to be thick, but hopefully I made enough. If not, I have to hurry up and make some more. But I think this will be plenty once I get it all worked through here. These gloves are terrible. I like the kinds that are more fitting to you. I'm going to take my heat gun to it here just a second and warm it up a little bit. I'm going to torch, but I have seen some people use a torch. So, but I feel like the heat gun does work better. But once again, your own preference. You got to do what you want to do. Whatever you think will work best for your piece. And I wish I would have made up a little bit more, just so I can have a little extra here, because I'm kind of cutting it thin on some places here. But hopefully warming it up is going to level that out for me. And that's my own fault. Like I should have better done that a little bit better rather than just trying to guess. Alright, so we're going to let that dry and we'll see how it goes. So I will bring you back when it's dried. It's beautiful though. You can see all the shimmer in there. And as of right now, I really like it. It's nice and clear. I don't see anything that looks like a, you know, kind of get my alert out there, but it looks good. So I will bring you back when it's all dried. Okay, so I'm going to bring you down for a little close-up here, and this is the resin, JDiction Epoxy Resin, equal parts. It's very clear, self-leveling. It really doesn't have much of an odor, and put the lid on here. This is the sparkle stuff that I used. I got it off of Amazon. It's beautiful. And I'll admit I may have put a little too much in there. But just look at that in the cup. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, I love it. Okay. Alright. But just look at all that sparkle. Sparkle! I hope you like this one. It's got lots of sparkle in it. If you're watching. But just look at it all. And it looks really good. Like, it looks pretty leveling. Like, I don't see anything that is an issue. As now it's been sitting here for maybe an hour or so, maybe 2 hours, something like that. And I'm pretty pleased with it right now. Like, it looks pretty good. I don't see it taking away the color. Although, I mean, I obviously probably put too much sparkle in it. So, you know, that will affect that. But as far as the resin itself goes, I think it's beautiful. I cannot wait till it's all the way dry. But it is beautiful. Sorry about the glare from the light there. But just look at it. Lots of sparkle. But I'm pretty happy with this. I really like this. Like I said, they reached out to me to see if I wanted to do reviews for some products. They have resin, they have UV resin, they have some stuff to make molds, they have some mica powders, but I think in the US right now they're all out of stock. He said that they will be, I think it was a he that I was texting, that they will be getting some mica powders here in mid to end October. I know if you watch Amy's Acrylic Artistry, she has some of the mica powders. I've seen her do a review here not a couple videos or so ago, and she was pretty happy with it, I think. I don't know. I'll have to watch her video again, but it's been a little bit since I watched hers, and I watch a lot of videos every day. When I'm working, I'm supposed to be working, but I do have my phone going to watch videos for everybody. So people that I subscribe to, I do like to, if they subscribe back to me, I do try to make it, you know, show support to other artists as well. So I'll have to check hers out again, but I think she was pretty pleased with it. I don't remember or not, but I'm excited to get some of the mica powders when they do come in. They said that they will be sending me some as well, and I would definitely buy this one as of right now. I'll give it a few more hours and we'll kind of check back here, but I think it looks pretty good. So look at all that sparkle. All right, and that's JDiction Epoxy Resin. And it came really fast too. It didn't take very long, not even a week, I don't even think, from the time that I said I would definitely like to review the resin. They reach out to you and then they want you to see what you like, what you would like to do a review on. So yeah, but check them out. I will put their link in the description. I would definitely recommend it. As of now, it looks pretty dang good. I'm pretty pleased with it. But thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye. It's beautiful. Look at all that sparkle. I probably should have not put in as much as I did, but I still love it. I think it looks gorgeous. It's got a nice shine to it that is just gorgeous. I'm really pleased with this resin. We'll definitely use it again. And like I said, JDiction is the resin. Check them out. I will put the link in the description. I would definitely recommend them. I'm pretty pleased with it anyway. But thanks, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.